Sipficient does a complicated task, but we made sure to design it as simply as possible. This meant reducing the number of parts. The pump bulb can be easily removed. In order to get this next part out, you have to push the spout rod so that the pump seal protrudes. Now, grasping firmly, not just on the little fin, but as deep as you can pop the pump valve off. Then the umbrella and the spout rod comes free. Then the spout rod can be pushed out. The reservoir valve is also just pressed into place. To assemble the reservoir seal, simply align it and then apply firm pressure so that it is touching in all surfaces. Notice how the spout rod has a slightly tapered end. That is the direction that it is inserted into the umbrella. Simply push it through so that the umbrella and the spout rod's together. Then take the umbrella and spout rod, push it into the upper reservoir so that it protrudes out the back. You want to be pushing firmly on the spout rod so that it is protruding as far as possible. Now take the pump seal, push it firmly on the spout rod. You should feel the spout rod through the pump valve here. Now notice that the pump seal isn't necessarily laying flat. We need to massage the pump seal into place so that it lies flat around the perimeter. The pump bulb can be pushed in just as easy as it was removed. One little trick to make sure that we have a good seal on the reservoir valve is to cover the intake valves. Pump the bulb once, and you should notice that the pump bulb is not inflating.